Welcome to Mobile Application Tutorials. My name's Nigel. This is my lovely wife, June.
Hello, I'm June.
And welcome to Wife Learns Android Programming Tutorial Series. You ready to get started, June?
Okay, yeah.
Let's have a bit of a refresher of what we learnt last week. Right, do you remember what your application did last week?
Yes, and I made the application showing Hello June.
Okay,
TextView.
I have a request for you, just to a bit of a refresher. Could you change that Hello June to Hello Nigel?
Oh, this time?
Yes.
Okay, I try that, yeah.
Yep. If you want to do that now for all of us to see.
I think I have to make string.
Yes. Go to the string where all your texts are. Strings are. Good.
Hello, Nigel. And this. Should be here. Hello, Nigel.
Looking good.
And anywhere else?
So the only changes you really need to do are in your string file and
Okay.
in your layout file.
Okay.
So if you want to save that
Yeah.
and then run the application on here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Very good, June. You remembered from last week.
I'm changing.
It's almost if you've done a bit of revision prior to this course.
No, I remembered clearly.
Oh, really? Oh, good.
Yeah.
Very good. Hello, Nigel. We should have put your viewers there. Hello, Nigel. Great. So you basically recollect everything we talked about in the last tutorial. Okay, June, I've just got some other questions to ask you. Okay, June, on your screen, we've got a representation of an app that's supposed to represent a newsletter form. Can you tell me how many views would exist inside this particular layout?
Okay, I can guess 1, 2, 3, 4.
Great.
Great views.
Very good. Yeah, that's very good. Okay, do you want to have a guess about what particular types of views any of those would be?
I know that one newsletter could be TextView,
Yes, correct.
but I'm not sure about others.
Okay.
It's different.
Yep. Okay. Right. If we start at the top one's called an image view.
ImageView.
Yeah. So if you want to go inside your editor.
Yeah.
And can you click on the tab Design?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're in your design view and we actually have removed all your views. So we're starting with an empty layout now, June. Okay, the first thing I'd like you to do is, can you show me where the image view is?
Yeah. ImageView there.
Yeah, can you drag that onto your layout?
Okay.
Put it towards the top, in the middle, that's fine, great. Okay, so you've now got a view representing an image view. Okay, can you go back to that image again?
Image here.
The image that you were just looking at before?
Okay.
Okay, going down, we've got newsletter. Can you add that to your layout?
Yeah. Different text view.
It's a text view. You might want to put it underneath your image.
Like here?
Yeah, anywhere. You can always adjust it later on.
Okay. Okay, put there.
That's fine. Okay, can we go back to the image again? Same again. Right. The next view, what kind of view do you think that might be?
Should be form or something.
It's close.
Text field, maybe.
Yes.
And it's email address or email.
Yes, perfect. Very good. Can you drag that and put it into a similar position to the image?
Yeah.
We can always readjust them later on.
Yeah. Right.
Great. Okay, and go back again to the image. And finally, that last one is actually a button.
Button, yeah.
So just drag it to a similar position as in the picture.
Button?
Yeah.
So is that next to this email or bottom or
Next to the email.
like here?
Yeah, the edit text, yeah.
Yeah.
So we can always adjust them later on, that's fine. Okay, that's perfect. You've done really well. You identified the views that you needed for this. Okay, now we're going to start setting up our views. So we've done the layout. Now we start needing to add image to the image view and configuring our other views. So let me just do a quick tutorial for you. Okay, June, so we're just running this from my computer.
Yeah.
First of all,
yeah.
I'm just going to very quickly, because I'm going to fast forward this,
yeah.
add the different views that you've got.
Yeah.
So, first one was an image view, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Put that up at the top.
Yeah.
Then underneath that you had a text view.
Text view, yeah.
A large text view I put underneath that. And then under that we had a email.
Yeah.
Under that. I'll put that in the middle like there.
Yeah.
And then next to that we had a button view.
Yeah.
So button, and I'm going to put that to the right.
Yeah.
It's a relative layout.
Yeah.
Just there. Like that.
Mm.
Okay, so I've now got the 4 views,
Yeah.
similar to what you did.
Yeah.
First thing to do, I want to add an image to the top.
Yeah.
To do that, this is in the Android Studio. We've got a whole bunch of images.
Yeah.
I'm just going to copy this one.
Mm.
And we can put it into our project by going to this location and drawable.
Drawable.
Yeah. Can you see that location?
Yeah.
So that's resource drawable.
Drawable.
So we can put images in there.
Okay.
Okay. So it's just a matter of pasting it in there. Command V if you're on a Mac. Okay, so that's giving us the location. You can only put characters and numbers.
Yeah.
We can't put anything else. So I have to remove the hyphen.
Yeah.
And press OK. So now I've got my image, my drawable.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing here is I want to put that image into the image view somewhere up there. So I want to put it to this image view here. I want to put the image. So I'm going to go back into text. Here's my image view. And to do that, I'll add another field. Android. And it's source. And we can refer to this drawable folder as @drawable.
Yeah.
And then just call Android.
Yeah. Okay.
And then to save that, and if we go back to our design, we've got a tiny little Android.
Okay.
I couldn't find a way, but you can stick any image there you want. It's sort of like a logo.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the large text size, I want to call that newsletter.
Yeah.
So again, you'll notice I keep going into here, and it's changing the text field.
Yeah.
So to do that, I'll just call it newsletter. Save that. Again, go back into design.
Yeah.
So we've got our little image,
Yeah.
branding image. We've got newsletter.
Yeah.
Here, I'd like to add a little hint. It's a text field where you can add text, but I want to sort of get a hint to explain to people what to add here.
Yeah.
So first of all, because it's going to be string, the hint's going to be in the form of text.
Yeah.
I go to strings, and I've already added it here into email address. So that's going to be my hint. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. If we go back into here, go back to text. So in my edit text, I'm going to add what's called a hint. Hint. And it's inside our string. And down here, into email.
Mm-hmm.
Save that. Now, you can see a little hint there.
Wow.
Into email address.
Yeah.
And new button, I want to explain what that button's going to do, which is going to be send our details for the newsletter. So we'll go to button, down the bottom here, and it's just a simple matter of adding text here. So go back to the strings.
Yep.
And I've got a button send that I created before. That just says send. I think I'll use that, or you could create a new one if you wanted to.
Yep.
So we go back to X amount and change the text in there to the string, same as before, and it's going to be button send. Go back to our design, the button's changed to send.
Yeah.
Okay, was that clear
Yes,
and understandable?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Do you think you could do it yourself?
Yeah, I try.
With a little bit of help?
Yeah, yeah.
Great. Okay, we'll move on to the stage of you doing the practical yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, June, are you ready to give that one a go?
Okay. How about that on the existing?
So that's fine. You've got your 3 views. First thing I want you to do is to add an image to your project.
Yeah. But it's already here. Can I delete everything?
No, keep those. Those are just your views.
Okay.
They've got nothing inside those views, haven't yet been configured.
Oh, I see.
They're like empty containers.
Oh, okay.
So you need work on your image view first by adding an image to it.
Yeah. Resources?
So the first thing we want to do is just to copy an image into your Android project, Android Studio project.
Yeah.
So currently you don't actually have an image inside there.
Oh, I see.
There is no image inside your project.
I know that to copy into drawable folder.
Yeah.
But how to bring?
You can just do copy and paste.
Copy and paste. That's all. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I copy and
on the drawable, yeah.
Paste. Okay. And yeah. Like that.
You can call that whatever name you want. You can make it an easy name you can remember.
The Android logo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, image in there.
Yeah, I'll let you go forward to carry on with the next part.
And drag to here.
No. You've already got your view in there.
Yeah.
That doesn't need to be changed.
Mm-hmm.
But you need to actually set the source for your view.
Oh, I see. So, what's not there? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. TextView, ImageView. I think you add the line.
Yep.
Android source.
That's correct.
And drawable.
Very good.
And Android logo.
Save that. Now, do you want to go back to your design tab.
Oh, appeared.
Very good. Did that sort of make sense? That sort of workflow,
Okay.
how to set an image to an image view?
Yeah.
Right, now can you, with your text view, can you call that newsletter?
Newsletter, okay. To view called newsletter. I think I have to make another one.
Yes. Very good.
Newsletter. Or one word or two words?
You make it one word.
Yeah.
Okay, you can save that.
And text. Email address, text view. Add the line?
Not in this case.
Change here.
No, stop. Can you undo that, please? No, that ID is just how you, is like a label for your text view.
Oh, okay.
It's how you would find your text view, but you'd only change that if you wanted to rename that something that you could find easier.
Here, change it to newsletter.
But what is that text? You just type some characters there.
Oh, okay. So, like at plus ID.
No?
No. Something was like, string.
Yes, very good.
String. And newsletter.
Very good. You want to save that?
Yeah.
Now go to your design tab.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. Right, now, for the next field, can you add a hint to your edit text view?
Edit text. String name again.
Yes, very good.
And enter email address.
Yeah, you can make it smaller if you want. It's up to you. It's just how you're going to refer to your text. Very good. Save that.
And make string. So edit the text.
This is going to be a hint.
Oh, hint. Okay. I think there was another line.
Yes.
That shows a hint.
Yes.
What was that?
Hint.
Okay. Android hint.
Yeah.
Okay. Hint. Enter email address.
Very good. Save that. Yep. Okay, can you go to design?
Design, yeah.
Can you see the hint there?
Yeah, layout a bit strange, but yes, I can see.
Okay, so let's see if we can fix that. So your button is on top.
Yeah.
Okay, can you select button there?
Yeah.
Can you see if you can drag your button to the right of the like that?
Yeah. Okay.
Does that look better?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see your hint.
Yeah.
Okay, the final thing is I think you need to change the name of your button.
Yeah. String. Send. Save.
Great. Can you save that and check it in the Design tab?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Do you want to try running that on the application, on the phone?
Yeah, just now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just for our viewers, could you do you have a record button down there? Okay. Right. Okay, we're just recording what's showing on June's screen. June, can you enter a pretend email address?
Pretend one?
Yeah. Okay. My friend email. Okay. Okay. Do you want to try pressing send? Nothing's happening because we haven't actually done anything with underlying code.
Yeah.
That will be for the next tutorial. But you can see what a TextView does there.
Yeah.
So if we go back, we can see what a TextView does there.
Yeah.
But that's basically what we did on this case, is we designed the look and feel for our application first, and then we can start doing that underlying coding to finish off the functionality. But you've done really well.
Okay.
If you just want to stop recording.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for this part of the tutorial, June. How did you find that?
Yeah, very fun.
Okay, so understandable?
Yeah.
Great, because you actually learned quite a bit for this tutorial. So, great. So, next week we'll learn how to implement the underlying functionality of actually sending that data to another activity.
Yeah.
But yeah, you've done very well. And I didn't really have to prompt you that much to do this. Your learning acceleration's going through the roof. Yes. So if you enjoy these tutorials, please subscribe and also give a big clap to June, because her Android skills are quickly getting faster.
Thank you.
And soon she'll be leaving the master behind. Anyway, that's all for this one.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye for now. So you can now see what's happening on June's screen. Okay, June, can you now just test the code that you wrote works?
Just press send.